Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about e to the power of 2y. So I will put this one go to the left, the s go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of 2y over number 2. This one, that is about s squared over number 2. This one, that is about 6s, and I will put about c. Now, we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 6, y equals to ln number 6. So, we put number 6 going here and here. Ln number 6 going here. So, we can find the value of c. So, this one, that is about 36 over number 2. This one, that is about 36 over number 2. This one, that is about 36. So c equals to 36. And now we can put this one going here. Now we multiply both sides by number 2. Next, we put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about e. Capital B, that's about 2y. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. F and E, that is about number 1. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.